Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, ITV Gold's chairman and one of the most respected Indian American doctors here, reflected upon the global spread of coronavirus in a conversation with Ashok Vyas, giving some helpful information and preventative tips and measurements. Let's take a look.
And now let us try and learn a little bit about symptoms. You said you may not demonstrate any symptom, yet you might be affected by coronavirus.
So coronavirus symptoms are the same as any symptoms of the flu. Any flu you get year after year, every year in the winter time. Coronavirus symptoms are the same: runny nose, stuffy nose, cough, sometimes wheezing, and so forth, and body ache. But unfortunately, this coronavirus is very contagious, and there are some people who has coronavirus in their system, but still they are not sick or ill, and they come in contact with the other people, and they can transmit this virus. So the best way to really handle this coronavirus problem, because you do not know who has it. So of course you are seeing the people with the mask. I mean that does only little thing. I mean it does, but that doesn't guarantee you that you will not get coronavirus. The most important thing one should do is keep washing your hands after doing whatever activity you are doing. And if you do that, then probably your chances of getting infected by coronavirus is very small. And unfortunately, there is no vaccine. They are working on that, but it may take a few months before even this epidemic becomes pandemic,
So we have heard about some cases detected in New York, also in India and Kerala and few other places other than China. So how alarming you think
it is? It is very alarming, because still it's spreading. Means usually this kind of any virus, like we had a SARS virus, we had a Ebola virus, all those viruses within 2 to 3 weeks it slows down everything. But this is not slowing down. On the contrary, it's getting more spreading. So it means it's really dangerous. And this affects the economy of not only of China, but it can affect the economy of India or economy of whole worldwide. And even in USA, even though there are no cases in USA, but indirectly it affects. For example, Apple makes most of their iPhone and their thing in the China. So if China shuts down because of illness, Apple doesn't have the chain of supply, and then Apple get affected. This is just example I'm giving you. So right now there is a fear that it could be pandemic, and if it is pandemic, then it will really affect economy very badly.
So Indian government took initiative and it vacated those Indian students, Indian citizens who were there, whereas in contrast to India's stand, Pakistan didn't make any such stand, and they said we show our solidarity by not vacating them. So how do you look at this stand of Indian government?
Well, I mean, what India did is correct thing to do in the face of the coronavirus epidemics, because it's better to lift them out of the environment where there is a coronavirus widely spread in that province, and we don't know exact figure really. There are 20,000 are infected, or there are 30,000. And as you know, coronavirus is such a virus which one can have coronavirus and no symptoms. So even if you are feeling normal, still you can transmit that coronavirus to someone else. So coronavirus is very dangerous in that way, very contagious. So I think it's Indian government did a right thing to lift Indian citizens out of that province of where the coronavirus is prevalent, and that at least kind of prevent a lot of other those people get infected, because still even though they came here, but still we have to watch them for another 2 weeks in order to make sure that they don't have coronavirus in their system, even though they are not sick. So that's how coronavirus is. So I think government in India has done, medically speaking, correct thing.
So now we only pray as well as we hope that it doesn't spread, and there are ways to contain it sooner than later. But at this point, as we take leave from this show, your parting words for our viewers.
Well, hello friends. Just be aware of coronavirus. It's seriousness of the coronavirus. So whenever you come across someone who has cold-like symptoms or flu-like symptoms, try to stay away from it. Keep washing your hands all the time after any activities, and always try to be confine yourself if there are people with the cold around you. So be vigilant, be aware of this coronavirus illness. It could be dangerous. So this is it for today. Please join us next week. Till then, goodbye. God bless America. God bless India. And Jai Hind.